Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach a small phone. So you will be able to store your details. So here if you want to execute the program, here is a nice table. Here you will be able to add the phone number. So you have to add the for contact of John, address India, number something like that. Click save button. Here you will be able to save the details. Here last insert details would be saved. Okay, so how to make this system? Simple way. So first I'm going to go to file, new project, Java and Java application. Click next. If it is click create main class, you have to uncheck it. Here I'm going to create for contact. So contact information. You have to wait until the project has been created. So here it's created successfully. Now you have to expand it to here default package. Click here Java frame from. You have to create here phone. Hit finish button. Now I'm going to design the phone. So I'm going to expand the frame a little bit bigger, look like this way. Let's drag the frame over here, panel. Select this one, right click, new project, properties. No border, you have to select the border bevel. Click OK, close it. Now you have to drag the label. This label I got contact information. Select this one, properties. Click on this, bold, 36. Click OK. So you have to adjust the size, look like this way. So if you want, you just arrange that like this way. So what you're going to do is now you have to drag another panel. This panel, right click, new properties, no border, nothing border. Okay. Now here I'm going to go to label, name, okay. Now here text field, (14). Edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. Select again, change variable, txt name. Now here address and phone number, so select both. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Address, txt address, select both, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the phone number. So here simply you have to make the info window look like this way. So here I need one button which is a save button. So I just drag and drop it, which is save button. You have to make this one as save. Properties, bold, 40. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to drag one table. Here you have to bring back to the table over here this one. So if you need that splitter, you have to use this splitter as well as the splitter. A splitter. So you don't need them at the moment. So you have to drag the table. So here, just we need a record like this. Okay. Now let's select this frame. Right click properties. Code. Generate center. Select it again. Source. Control F. UI. Right metal. Run the application. Okay, it's working perfectly well. Now let's select this one. Table content row. Select and delete. Now columns, I'm going to this one first one should be the name. So you have to name, this one should be the address, the phone. This one I just select this one, delete. That's it. Okay, perfect. Thanks. Now what you're going to do is first I'm going to make the connection. So what I did here is I'm going to this connection I will be explaining, don't worry. First I'm going to what you're going to do is all things for the designing. So designing I just this all no need. I'm going to make the first I'm going to implement the SQL connection. So after I implement the SQL connection, import Java dot SQL dot this one. So here we have to write, you have to add the namespace successfully. Now here I'm going to go to add the connection property connection con prepared statement pst. Now here I just copy and paste this code here. First I'm going to create the method. This method I'm going to create public void connect. Open here, close it here. Inside the method here we have to no need to create this one all things. This is generated by automatically. Okay. You have to write only these two lines. You can see here 2 lines only you have to write. First class for name. This is the driver. We have to add it into the MySQL driver. This is the where your database is reside. We have give the path. Okay. So we already create the database. So here XAMPP, I already create the database which name is phone book. Now here you can see the phone book. Yes, the phone book I have created the contact. This is the database I have created. This is the contact. Inside the database we have created the contact table. Its name is contact. Okay, so this is all the table. I'm going to all things I just delete them. So now I'm going to add the details, so you have to understand. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here I'm going to go to the design. So we designed the form successfully. This is the code. Okay, so first I'm going to in order to connect MySQL and Java, we have to download the appropriate connector, which is a MySQL download jar. Click on this. select the operating system which is a platform independent. Okay, the jar file you already downloaded. Here you have to download it. Click and download it. Okay, so if you have to download and after download it come as a zip folder. You have to unzip it. Okay, you just right click and you have to unzip. Okay, unzip it. It come as a normal folder, normal file. So now after that you have to go to the libraries folder. I'm going to click on this libraries package of the project, add jar folder. You have to browse and upload it over here. Okay, so already I did it. Okay, you have to browse and upload it. That's correct. Okay, then now it will be added to your project. Okay, that's the thing you have to write it. So after that, what I'm going to see, you have to add the method connect. Okay, so after that you have to, this driver is already here. We have to import it successfully on our project. So I have to first I'm going to register driver. So how to register the driver? You have to use class for name com MySQL JDBC driver. You have to register the particular driver. After that, you have to implement the database path where your database is resided. My database is which name is phone book. This is my database, which is a phone book. So it is reside on where it will be resided. It resided on the MySQL. Okay, this is the database. This is nothing but a database. Okay, this is the user credential of the database MySQL, which is nothing but the username. This is a password. Blank will be our password. So this is simple way. Okay, here you no need to do anything else. You just click on this. Surrounded the try and catch. Out this all the things you just cut, paste inside over. That's it. You no need to write anything else. This is not error. This also click on this. Add a catch close. That's it. This is the beauty of the MySQL NetBeans. So this connected, whether your database is connected or not, how to check it. This connected method you just copy, paste inside the constructor of the class. What is the constructor? Constructor, which is a method which has the same name of the class name. Constructor, which is a method which is a same name of the class name. When the constructor is when the project is running, the constructor is run. Okay, the first time the constructor is run. Okay, so here now you can check it whether it's working fine or not. You can just put it the system.out.println and check it whether the connection is connected or not. You have to type system.out.println. We have to check it whether it's connected or not. We are using this by command. This command println right connected. You have to run on the project. Connected here. It's connected. Double click on the save button. Here I am going to write the command. So here what I am going to do is this is a simple insert query. So our start you are going to see I am going to first going to go to we already added we have created the connection object con. This how we have this connection which we have created. This connection is reside on the SQL class. What is the meaning of this one? Our connection is resided on this connection object. Okay, this is connection, the database's connection. Okay, after that we have to create the SQL query. SQL query we have to use to write of the prepare statement. So we already created the prepare statement object PST. So what you're going to do is now first what you're going to do is here. First, these are the text fields. You have to assign into the particular variable. So first I'm going to create a string variable, string name, comma, address. Both are string. After that int, which is a 4. Now, so now we have written name equal txt name dot get text. After that address equal txt address dot get text. phone equal, here when you type the phone number, because this is an integer type, so what how to type it here, this one is a phone number, you type integer dot pass int, here you write txt phone dot get text. That's it. Now you have tried to insert code. So insert code, you have to this scoring. So just copy it and paste it, I will be explaining. Okay, so you have write the prepare statement object we already created. PST, you have write PST equal con object prepare statement, you have write insert into which table I am going to insert the record. We have a table in the database which name is phone number, phone book. Inside the phone book we have a table name contact. Contact table consists of name, address, phone number. So we have a name, address, phone number. So these are the, this is nothing but a parameter. This what's the name you entered over here, address entered, and phone number. This all things assigned to this particular variables. This set into the, this all the value will be all on this particular variables. This all the values we have to pass into here, these parameters, set string 1 2 3. We have a 3 values, so you have 1 2 3. These 3 values goes to the respective parameters. First value goes to the name, second value address, third value as a phone number. So these all things are set into the respective columns. The first value set it as a name column, second value set it as address, third value set it as a phone number. Okay, this all the, this also called as, this parameter is set it as a respective columns names. Okay, after that we have to psc.execute, you have to call the execute update method. Record is added into the database. This is how the flow is working. This is nothing but error. You click on this, it asks to import the try and catch. This also just Ctrl X to cut off. Paste over here. This one should be the not. Okay, that's the thing you have tried. So I just remove this one are not needed. Let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Now I'm going to add Arun, address India, phone number, something like that. Click save button. Record saved successfully. Now if you go, now the database is empty. Okay, to browse here, it's working successfully. This one should be the auto increment number. Okay, so here when you make the database, you have to make the database structure as a auto increment, so that number is auto increment, other values are same. Okay, so fine. Now I want to load the table. Simple. So how to load the table? The simple code I have written myself to in order to write the code. Okay, so here simple code. Okay, first I have to implement the, you can see, first you have to implement the result set object rs default date table model df. Okay, this is we have the set it to the columns of the table, default table model object you have created df. After that we have tried it over here. Simple, you have to copy this, paste on it over here, and just this whole thing you have to get rid of this line. Try also. Okay, now again simple code, this is the simple code. Okay, first what you are going to do is you have to create a simple method phone table, open and close it, get the data from the data table. Okay, so here this is the get the data, select all from contact. This is the select all from contact mean this is a table name. You have to load all the data from the contact table. So you have to select all from the contact table, get all the details we have to getting and pass into the PST object. After that, the PST object we have to row by row it will be calculating. So we have to execute the query PST execute non-query mean it is execute. This query executing, this all the table value will be passing to RS object. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set into those values into the database JTable model. This is a JTable. This is a JTable. Okay, this is name. This is a JTable. Okay, the JTable. You are setting the JTable. So you have tried this one. You have TBL book. This name I'm going to write it TBL book. I just copy and paste the same name TBL book. Right click, change variable name TBL book. So this is the name of the database table. Okay, so you have write get model. It has a property which is a get model. Okay, so it will take the property. Okay, after that what I am going to do is first you have to set row count means it will be set this all the things are clear. Okay, we have to set into this one. After that we have to write the while loop, which will be this all the record will be there in the rs. Okay, next mean it will be loop it. We have to set it to the particular columns. Okay, this default these columns. Okay, this one name, address, phone number. So we have to loop it. How many records are available? It will be looping. After df add row new object, we have to set as an array object. First column I have to set it as a name column. Rs the first value, second value address, third value is a phone number. So this column name, address, phone. It's set into one by one. So this first one you have to click on try and catch. You have to this one I just control S to cut off, control V to paste over here. Okay, so now here what was there? Sorry, something. I have just copied this one. Copy this code. This was the course I provide you. So here, sorry. The problem is this. Okay, here the thing is here. This you have to copy it. This all the code from to here. Paste on it here. Click on this. Surround the catch block. Okay, that's a problem I had. This one, cut off this one. Okay, why this catch is not working? That's a problem. Okay, here this catch is there. Okay, now it's okay. The catch block. Okay, it's okay. Okay. So this all the source I provide you. It is working. This phone table, you just copy this one. You have to paste on it over here. What is the problem? This one you have to phone book. Okay, you have to write everything. Now you can see. Now it's working. So yeah, this one not a phone number. This one should be the name. First one is a name. I want this a name. So address, phone number. It's working. Look like this. Name. Okay. Now it's working. Now I'm going to add this one. When you add the record, this method when you add the record is calling this method after get the message of the record saved phone. You have to call this one. You have to write summon, address India, phone number, hit save button, record saved, it's working. So effective. I hope you guys understood the things well. I give this code in my website, you will be able to get them. Thank you for watching.